Okay, let's take a quick look at the min and max statement now. So let's bring up table 2 that we was using before. Table 2. Okay, so what we're going to use the min for this time is we want to return the smallest amount in the total spend column. So what we can do, select minimum amount from total spend from table 2. Okay, and that returns us 151. And we can do the same for the max value in there as well. We can change it out to max, and there we go, it shows us the max. One other thing you can do here is it's got no column name. So what we can do is after this closing bracket, we can say as max spend. And what we need to do, because we've put a space in here, we just need to wrap some of those around. Hit F5, and now we've got a new name at the top. And if we just change this back out to min, and we put this to min, and we pull that back, there we go, we've got min spend.